Astrology is often seen through the lens of planets, but what about the powerful asteroids that also hold sway in our charts? These asteroids, Vesta, Ceres, Pallas, and Juno, carry profound mythological significance and offer deep insights into our emotional life, relationships, and personal growth. Let's start with Vesta, the asteroid of sacred devotion and focus. In astrology, Vesta represents where we can direct our energy towards spiritual growth and personal transformation. It's about the devotion to the things that matter most to us, whether that's in our career, relationships, or personal projects. When Vesta is prominent in a chart, it often signifies someone deeply committed, yet possibly isolated in their devotion. Next, we have Ceres, the nurturing asteroid. Ceres is about nourishment, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. Ceres reveals how we care for ourselves and others. It also symbolizes the mother archetype, shedding light on our relationship with maternal figures and how we process themes of loss, separation, and growth. Pallas Athena, the asteroid of wisdom, strategy, and creative intelligence, plays a key role in how we problem solve and find creative solutions. When Pallas is strong in a chart, the individual often excels at seeing patterns and bringing balance to chaotic situations. Her energy is linked to insight and practicality, which can help us navigate life's complexities with clarity and precision. And then there's Juno, the asteroid of commitment, marriage, and partnership. Juno represents the ideal union, both in romantic and business relationships. Her placement in a chart shows how we engage in long-term partnerships and what we need in a committed relationship. If Juno is poorly aspected, it might point to challenges in balance and compromise. So how do these asteroids interact with each other in your chart? By looking at their aspects and connections, we can uncover deeper layers of our emotional needs, relational patterns, and areas where we are most likely to experience growth. For example, a strong Vesta-Ceres connection might indicate someone who is nurturing but also very focused on spiritual or personal goals. A Pallas Juno aspect could suggest someone who brings wisdom and strategy into their relationships, seeking partnerships built on intellectual understanding and shared goals. These asteroids, though small in size, hold immense influence over our emotional lives and relationships. By examining their placements and interactions in your birth chart, you can gain valuable insight into areas where you may be called to grow, transform, and find balance.